Hi friends, it's Becky, and today is going to be a little bit different from what you normally see me do because today I just feel like doing some art. So I have a new to me subscription. It is an art subscription and it's from the Sketchbox folks. And I've already peeked at it and seen what's inside of it, so this won't be a surprise for me, but I have an idea, and the stuff that they sent us for this is exactly what I want to use for it. So what we got in the Sketchbox are these pan pastels, and I've used regular pastels and water-soluble pastels, but I've never used a pan pastel. They're very soft and not like the sticks at all. They're a little bit like makeup, you know, like a little cake of makeup. So we've got this really, really pretty magenta color, it looks like. And then this violet color, and this one, it is, what was the name of this one? It was Burnt Sienna Tint, which is, I mean, it's very, this is almost exactly like my shade of makeup, actually. If I was to do this. So I'm going to be using these. They give us some tools like this little eyeshadow applicator thing. I've got the, hold on. This is an important thing to have when you are, where did I put it? That's fine. I'll just rub that off. And then we've got like some of these, which also like makeup applicators, I guess. Make me think of it when you can do those. And we've got some other applicators that we can use those with. So there's enough to make art with in this box. And then we've got some colored pencils. There are these gold fobbers in these two different colors, and it doesn't say what the colors are right here, but they've got the numbers right here. And it's like, it's in the thing. This isn't like an official unboxing, I guess, maybe. Let's open up the, okay. Violet, magenta, and burnt sienna for the pan pastels. And then the gold fobber, it's beige red and fuchsia. So I guess this is the beige red. It's very much similar color to that. And then we've got the fuchsia, which I love fuchsia. Pink is fantastic. And then there's a surface that we can use to actually create art on it. So let's do that because I have an idea and I'm super inspired by the events of the last couple of days to do this. And this is an art board that I made out of some cardboard and some stickers and some packing tape. I usually will tape like my watercolor paper to it and it works out great, but I'm gonna have this down here to keep the pan pastels off of my work surface. And I don't think I want to tape this. It's like a very fine grain sandpaper almost. It's sanded paper. And it's specifically for, you can see how matte that is for doing things with pastels. So let me get this out here. And this is just going to be a really quick art. I've got a round object. Any round object will do. This just happens to be a spool that I am still using, but this way I get a nice circle for the beginning of this. And I'm going to take this lighter colored pencil. I'm just going to draw around the outline of this. This colored pencil. Can you guys guess what I'm making? And it is okay if there are little lines coming off of that because I'm going to be making an eclipse thing. Let's see. All right. So now let's take, I'm not going to be using the violet, but I am going to be using the magenta because I don't know if you guys saw some of the photos of the eclipse, that there were little plumes of pink, pink plumes coming off the sun during the eclipse, and it just looked so cool. So I'm just gonna take one of these little guys here, put it in here. Oh man, this is exactly like makeup. And then I'm just gonna touch it right here to the edges of my circle. I'm gonna leave the middle black for the pan pastel. I'm gonna try not to touch the middle with my hands. And right here, I'm gonna just flip over to the other side of this and pick up some pink and do a little plume up here, like that. And another little plume along here. And then go back to this color on the other side. See, I've got my pink on this side, and I've got my sienna on this side. It's like a Naples yellow, if I'm going off of certain things to call it something. All right. I feel like doing art today, so that is what I'm doing. Probably also going to be doing some jewelry making later, if that's what you usually watch me for. But I really hope that you enjoy this part. All right, I don't know that I need to put the lid on there for that yet, but I am going to grab my finger and start dragging this away. All right. Let's try this one. But yeah, I got this and I was like, I don't know what to make with this. And I was inspired today. All right. So now I've got some little spots between my circle and the rest of this that I'm going to go back in with this pencil and fill in. And then maybe adding a little more of the pan pastel to it in a little bit. Yeah, in fact, let's add a lot more pan pastel. There we go. I'm really feeling those. Let's get over here to this side. Fill in some of these spots. This. All right. Get a little more of the pan pastel. sun is amazing. And the fact that so many of us got to see this yesterday, and like I didn't see as much or as detail as a lot of my friends who do like astrophotography and that sort of thing did. One of my cousins he's still processing and posting so many of the photos that he took. But there we go. You know what? It doesn't have to be a solid line either, does it? Let's blend that a little bit. Maybe we're going to have that little diamond part where that corner of the sun starts peeking out. You get that very, very bright section right there. Yeah, let's find a clean finger. All right, did I ruin it? Did I make it? I don't know. You tell me. Does that look like the eclipse to you? It feels really eclipsey to me. But anyway, yeah, that's what I can make with the Sketchbox for this month. It's the April Sketchbox. It's a new subscription, so you may see more of these as I go through. But I like learning new things. I'm just gonna add a little bit more pink. I'm just feeling it. Just feeling a little bit more pink. Just around some of this edge. There we go. And a little more here. There we go. All right. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope y'all have a great day.